Hey there, want to win a $100 Best Buy coupon? Well, you're in the right place. In every video, a 6-digit code will pop up clearly on screen. It could be anywhere, so watch the whole video carefully. Once you spot the code, click the link in the pinned comment and enter your name, phone, email, and the code. One lucky winner from each video gets $100 and winners are announced on the website every Monday. Don't blink, your next $100 could show up any second. Yo, what's up everybody, Mark here. Welcome back to the channel where we dive into the latest and greatest tech deals, bringing you the best bang for your buck. Today, I've got something super exciting to share with you all. And today we're diving deep into a TV that's been making some serious noise. The LG 65-inch Class 80 Series QNED 4K UHD Smart webOS TV. This isn't just any TV, it's packed with features that are sure to impress even the most discerning tech enthusiasts. Now I know that's a mouthful, but stick with me because this one's got my attention, especially with the deal they've got going on right now. This TV is not just about size, it's about delivering an immersive viewing experience that can transform your living room into a mini theater. We're talking model number 65 QNED80 QC, a solid 4.6 out of 5 stars with 75 reviews. That's a pretty impressive rating, and it speaks volumes about the quality and performance of this TV. But what makes it stand out? Let's dive into the details. And for the next 7 hours, 34 minutes, and 45 seconds, you can snag this thing for just $549.99. That's a steal for a TV of this caliber. But hurry, because deals like this don't last long. I know, you're probably thinking, okay, another TV, another review. But trust me, this one's different. It's not just about the specs, it's about the overall experience and value you're getting. But trust me, this one's different. The LG QNED technology combines quantum dot and NanoCell to deliver richer colors and deeper blacks. It's a game changer for anyone who loves vibrant and lifelike visuals. We're gonna break down the tech, the good, the bad, and everything in between so you can decide if this LG QNED is the right fit for your setup. From its AI-powered 4K upscaling to its advanced gaming features, there's a lot to cover. Whether you're a hardcore gamer, a movie buff, or just looking for a serious upgrade for your living room, this video's got you covered. The low input lag and high refresh rate make it perfect for gaming, while the Dolby Vision IQ and Dolby Atmos provide an unparalleled cinematic experience. So, buckle up, grab your favorite snack, and let's get into it. We're going to explore every aspect of this TV, from unboxing to setup, and even a few tips on how to get the most out of your new LG QNED. Stay tuned, because you won't want to miss this. Alright, let's kick things off with what really matters, what this TV brings to the table. First up, picture quality. When you're investing in a new TV, the first thing you want to know is how good the picture is. And let me tell you, this one does not disappoint. We're talking 4K UHD resolution here, and it really delivers. The level of detail you get with 4K is simply stunning. Whether you're watching the latest blockbuster movie or your favorite TV show, the images are sharp and clear. The details are crisp, colors pop, and the overall clarity is impressive, especially for this price point. The color accuracy is on point, making everything look vibrant and lifelike. It's like having a mini cinema right in your living room. Next up, we've got LG's webOS Smart platform. This is where the TV really shines in terms of usability. The interface is clean, intuitive, and easy to navigate, even for those who aren't tech-savvy. Now, I've used my fair share of smart TV interfaces, and I gotta say, webOS is one of the more intuitive ones out there. It's designed to make your life easier, not more complicated. You can easily find what you're looking for without getting lost in a maze of menus. It's snappy, responsive, and gives you quick access to all your favorite streaming apps like Netflix, Disney+, Hulu, you name it. No more waiting around for apps to load or dealing with laggy performance. Everything just works smoothly. No more fumbling around with a clunky remote, this one just gets it. The remote is well designed, fits comfortably in your hand, and the buttons are laid out in a logical manner. It's a small detail, but it makes a big difference in your overall experience. And speaking of design, LG didn't slouch in that department either. The 65 QNED 80 TUC is a beautiful piece of technology. It's not just about the picture quality or the smart features, it's also about how it looks in your home. The 65 QNED 82C rocks a sleek, minimalist look with super thin bezels. These thin bezels make the screen look even larger and more immersive. It's a design that will complement any modern living space. It's the kind of TV that blends right into any setup without screaming, "Hey, look at me!" It's subtle yet sophisticated, making it a perfect addition to any room. Whether you place it on a stand or mount it on the wall, it looks fantastic. Plus, it's wall mountable, so you've got options for days. You can save space and create a clean, modern look by mounting it on the wall. It's versatile and designed to fit seamlessly into your lifestyle. Now, before you rush out and buy this TV, let's talk about a couple of things that might make you pause and think. First off, the sound quality. It's not bad by any means, but it's also not mind-blowing. You get decent clarity and volume, but if you're a real audiophile or you're used to a dedicated sound system, you might want to consider pairing this TV with a sound bar for that extra oomph. Another thing to keep in mind is the interface. Like I said, webOS is pretty good, but it can feel a little overwhelming at first, especially if you're coming from a simpler TV setup. There are a lot of features and customization options, which is great once you get the hang of it, but it might take a minute to find your groove and feel comfortable. Let's dive a bit deeper into this whole 4K UHD thing. We're talking 4 times the resolution of your standard 1080p HD, which translates to an insane amount of detail. Imagine watching your favorite movies and shows with a level of clarity and sharpness you've never experienced before. From the textures on a character's clothes to the individual blades of grass in a sweeping landscape shot, 4K brings everything to life in a whole new way. And it's not just about the details, it's also about the colors. With 4K, you get a wider range of colors and shades, making everything look more vibrant and realistic. Now let's talk about webOS, the brains behind this LG TV. What I love about webOS is how user-friendly it is. The interface is clean, intuitive, and super responsive. You've got your apps neatly organized, making it a breeze to find what you're looking for. And the best part? It's customizable. You can rearrange your apps, create shortcuts to your favorite channels, and even control your smart home devices right from the TV. It's like having a central hub for all your entertainment and smart home needs. Finally, let's talk about the tech that sets this LG TV apart. QNED. Now, QNED stands for Quantum NanoCell Emitting Diode, which might sound like a mouthful, but all you need to know is that it's designed to deliver exceptional color and brightness. We're talking about 1 billion rich colors, deep blacks, and impressive brightness levels, all thanks to the way QNED technology works. It uses tiny nanoparticles to enhance the backlight, resulting in a picture that's both vibrant and detailed. So there you have it, guys. We've taken a deep dive into the LG 65-inch QNED 4K TV, and it's time to decide, is it a cop or a drop? The LG 65-inch QNED 4K TV, a serious contender in the TV game. This model brings a lot to the table, starting with its impressive size. At 65 inches, it's perfect for those who want a cinematic experience right in their living room. You get stunning 4K resolution, which means you can enjoy your favorite movies, shows, and games in crystal clear detail. The colors are vibrant, the blacks are deep, and the overall picture quality is top-notch. The user-friendly webOS Smart platform makes navigating through apps and settings a breeze. Whether you're streaming your favorite series on Netflix or browsing YouTube, the interface is intuitive and responsive. And let's not forget LG's impressive QNED technology for enhanced color and brightness. This technology combines quantum dot and NanoCell to deliver a more accurate and lifelike picture, making everything you watch more immersive. All of this is wrapped up in a sleek design that will complement any modern living room. The thin bezels and minimalist stand make it a stylish addition to your home entertainment setup. Sure, the sound quality might not blow you away, but it's decent for everyday use. If you're an audiophile, you might want to invest in a good sound bar or external speakers to get that theater-like audio experience. The interface might take a minute to master, especially if you're not used to smart TVs, but once you get the hang of it, you'll find it quite user-friendly and packed with features. But for the price, especially with that deal running out in checks, watch 7 hours, 34 minutes, and 45 seconds, this TV is a steal. Deals like this don't come around often, so if you're considering an upgrade, now might be the perfect time. This TV is a steal. For $549.99, you're getting a lot of bang for your buck. It's rare to find a TV with these specs at such a competitive price. For $549.99, you're getting a lot of bang for your buck. This price point makes it accessible for many without compromising on quality or features. You're getting a lot of bang for your buck. If you're in the market for a new TV, this is definitely one to consider. The combination of size, picture quality, and smart features makes it a great choice for any home. If you're in the market for a new TV, I highly recommend checking out the LG 65-inch QNED before this deal disappears. It's a solid investment that will enhance your viewing experience for years to come. I highly recommend checking out the LG 65-inch QNED before this deal disappears. Don't miss out on the opportunity to upgrade your home entertainment system with this fantastic TV. As always, thanks for watching. Your support means a lot, and I hope this review helps you make an informed decision. And I'll catch you in the next one. Stay tuned for more reviews, tips, and tech insights. Until then, happy shopping.